In this video, we're gonna be moving offices. Oh, it sucks, I hate moving. Next to one of 50 cars we just bought, one of the 50 Teslas. Honestly, the rest don't look like this. This is the worst one actually. But actually, it's only in the back of the building, so we're not moving very far. And so we just bought 50 Teslas, and so that's kind of the hard part, is taking all these Teslas that we just bought that are getting ready for rental service, unwrapping them, fixing the damage like this, and then we're gonna put them in the rental fleet. And by the way, if you're serious about getting into the car rental industry and you want a free playbook on how we got from 0 cars to 5 cars to 50 to over 200 cars and doing hundreds of thousands of dollars a month, we have a free playbook, absolutely free. Just click the link below. Honestly, it's sick, help the scale all the way up to 250 cars. So let's get back into the video. The only thing we're keeping up front is this parking right here, and the only reason we asked to keep it is because there's 2 level 2 chargers right there, and there is 1 right here. So we're keeping 3 level 2s, which isn't enough for this many Teslas. We're gonna have, there's literally 300 Teslas on our standard fleet account, which is us and our partners. There's a lot of Teslas here. I mean, we rent out literally 300 Teslas, it's crazy. But let me show you the back, which is where we're actually gonna have our operations. So right now, the way we have it broken down is we have damaged cars right here that we're lining up to take to the shop. We have the cars that are getting wrapped, or sorry, I should say de-wrapped right there. So we have a crew of like 5 or 6 guys that are like, they've been doing it all weekend, 12 hours a day, every day. We're just trying to get it done. We have the tire guys here that are replacing all the tires that need to be done on the new cars. And then wait till you see the back here. We have all of our cars lined up for the ones that just got done and need to be cleaned, and some of them have bumper damage, so we gotta fix those up. So this is pretty much how it's gonna be normally. It's just lined up with Teslas, and we're gonna have that full square. We have our detail bay right here, and we're gonna be cleaning cars in here and then doing tires. So you can see we have this Model 3. I think this is, the VIN is 7056, the last 4. We operate all by the last 4 of the VIN. This one just was in Vegas, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, it's 5299. Okay, I was wrong. But we had a car that's just repoed in Vegas. That's not fun. It's something like 200 bucks to get it back, or 280 or something. And it sucks when cars come back with windshield damage, because these are really expensive. A windshield on a Tesla Model 3, anywhere from, we get them for like 800 bucks, but if you go to Tesla, it's like 1,600, crazy expensive. So we have this bay for cleaning and fixing cars up, mostly for detailing. And we have a bunch of level 2 chargers in here. So I think we have 2 in here and then like 4 outside. And then we're gonna have this whole bay door right here, which is really gonna be for like parking inside cars. So we're gonna keep like the nicer higher end, as you can see, GA wagon, Urus, R8. We're gonna keep kind of the fun stuff in here. And then the rest, all the Teslas and stuff will be outside. So pretty much a good amount of the operation is gonna be outside. And then our offices, this part, so there's 2 bays right here that are being taken up from another company, which I might do a video on later. Can't really get into it right now. But our old office is actually back here. It's empty. We had to completely take our desks out. It's me and Justin that had our offices back here. So I was here, Justin was here, and we completely cleared it out because we got an upgrade. Justin, what do you think about the new office? The same old new office.
This one?
No, the new one.
It's a little sketchy.
Going up the stairs?
Being in the same room as you, probably.
Wow, dude, we've been in the same room for like a year.
A little too close.
Too close. All right, look at that. Up that tower. That's our new office. And you have to take the stairs to get to it. Down at the bottom portion right here is where the other shop is gonna be. Then there's gonna be a shop right here. And we're gonna have a wall that's gonna divide it. But let's check out our office space right now. Yo.
Oh, you remember the financing company that helped bring
All right, we're in the office right now. We just moved in today, like moved all the desks in. It's gonna be really tight. We're gonna have Justin's there, I'm there, Zach's there, and we might have another guy work right here. So it's gonna be tight. There's gonna be 4 people in one tiny little office, so it's gonna be a little sketchy. And then the one thing that we are gonna keep though, which we kind of have to, and I'll show you, is the customer parking. Because as you can see from this video, I guess I can show you this, is there's no customer parking for the back portion, right? Customer comes in, wants to rent a car, and there's a gate. So this is our entrance technically. There's a gate to it right there, and it just goes straight to the road. So if you want to have customers come and pick up parked cars, you can't put it in there, so it wouldn't work. So what we're gonna use is the original pickup lot for our customers, And it's just over here. I'll show it to you real quick. So as soon as the cars are prepped, they're gonna go to this lot. And this is the owner of the building space. Wow, he has his offices set up. So this is the lot that we're gonna be using for customers. And the way we do it right now is pretty simple. So if a customer's gonna book a car and come and pick a car for a rideshare, they're gonna be prepped right here. So they're gonna book a specific car and then take it off. So every day this is filled. We try to have all of our ready cars right here so that they can go out at any time. It's always prepped. We always have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars prepped at all times. So these will probably be gone by, I mean, it's almost Christmas, but they should be gone by either today or tomorrow. And then a fresh batch of cars will be in either from ones that we have in stock or, you know, out of the 50 cars that we have, we'll have some prepped by then. So it just depends. But honestly, pretty cool space. It's huge. We're gonna have a ton of different companies in here. So we're gonna have, the owner's gonna have a dealership. We're gonna have a big servicing company that does like dent repair, paint repair, wraps and stuff. So that's gonna be helpful for us. We're gonna have another company that's partnered in the back. And then there might be one other like lighting company. So it's gonna be, it's crazy. We went from literally this building being just us, so really quiet, to having like 4 companies in it. So it's gonna be busy, which I really like. I like to have a lot of movement. It's kind of exciting. So that's the update. Hundreds of Teslas and still growing. So thanks for watching. I appreciate everyone's support as always. See you next video. Peace.